Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun tag video. I was tagged by the lovely Tabby Violet. If you don't know her channel, go check her out. I will link it down below in my description box. She talked about the one handbag in her collection that she never ever considered selling. You know, as we buy more pieces or we swap out pieces, we start to kind of wonder after some time, like, oh, do I still love this? Am I still using it? Should I let go of it, right? At least for me, naturally that happens. And some I grow to love even more. Others I kind of grow out of love and I go, maybe I should just let it go so that someone else can really enjoy this piece. So I have really considered swapping or letting go many of my bags over the years, but there is one bag that never was under consideration for selling. Never, ever, ever. Since the moment that I bought it, I never once thought, should I let it go? And I don't think I ever will have that thought because I'll probably pass it down to my daughter. So I have just put a mysterious bunch here to kind of keep you guessing. Here is an Hermes bag. It's not an Hermes bag that I'm talking about. Here is a Louis Vuitton bag. It's not this bag that I'm talking about. And here is my Chanel Jumbo, and it's also not this bag that I'm talking about. The bag that I've never considered selling even once is inside my Jumbo. I'm just being a little bit sneaky here. Da-da-da-da. And that is my Pochette Métis. Oops. What did I just say? Pochette Accessoire. I was so excited. Pochette Accessoire. Or Pochette Accessories, right? So this little cutie that was technically in the SLG category, but I think has now moved over to the handbag category, if I'm not mistaken, from Louis Vuitton. Monogram also comes in the Damier Azur, which I think is super pretty. Used to come out in the Damier Ebene, but unfortunately they discontinued it. And in the past, there was a very similar version in Epi leather, but also that has been discontinued. It's got some vachetta here, and it is made in France, and I removed the original strap just so I can easily handle this and show you. You guys have seen this on my channel so many times, I'm sure. Let's give this bag the spotlight. But today I'm going to be telling you why I love it so much and why it's never occurred to me to sell this bag. The price increases from Louis Vuitton have been insane. I did do the last Louis Vuitton, not last forever, but the most recent Louis Vuitton price increase video, which I'll link somewhere so that you can double back and check that out if you missed it. And the price increase on this little baby was astronomical. Percentage-wise, this saw the biggest jump from the previous price, which I was shocked by. But at the end of the day, this thing is still well under $1,000, at least US retail. And I feel like it's such a great bag. It fits all of my essentials. It's more roomy than you would think. The inside is all lined with this chestnut brown fabric lining. And then the newer versions have this slip pocket here, which is really convenient. I can put some band-aids or my receipts or an extra mask. Nowadays, we're all wearing masks, at least here in New York, we still are. So little things like that can lay flat. And in here, I can fit literally everything from my card holder and my Louis Vuitton key pouch as an example. Here's my mini O case, which is quite, chunky once it's filled. I can put my lotion. I mean, I can put like everything. I can put a lipstick. I can put my phone. I can probably squeeze in some sunglasses if I don't use the case. So really it's so handy and it's so versatile. I did a video a while back showing, I think it was 6 different ways to wear this bag. And now I'm wearing it like 10 or 12 different ways because I'm playing around with all these different accessories, chains, and straps. So I'll show you what's inside here in a minute. But look, just like this, you can wear it as a clutch or pouch, like under the arm, really simple, super, super light. Let me weigh this for you. I think I've weighed this before in the past in other videos, but if you like really comfortable, lightweight items, bags in particular, then this is like unbeatable. So with no strap on at the moment, it's less than 5 ounces. It's 4.6 ounces empty. It's like a feather. It's so, so light. So let me show you what's inside here. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. So in this dust bag, is the original vachetta strap. Okay. And then I'll get to all the goodies. So this is a short, removable vachetta strap. I never wear it this way because I don't really wear short shoulder straps I usually like longer, crossbody, that sort. So I've just sort of saved it in the dust bag. But that's one way to wear it, obviously, or completely just like this with nothing on it. But look at all my goodies, and this is not even all of it. So if you've been on my channel before, I have showed you this really comfortable nylon wide band strap from Dress Up Your Purse that I got a while ago. I've been wearing it with this for a long time, especially in the like bad weather days and cold season, rain, snow, all of that. So easy. I spray the Vachetta. I spray all of my Vachetta with Apple Guard, so I don't have to worry about getting watermarks from the rain. Then I got this one again from Dress Up Your Purse, and this was the lighter kind of cottony version, so really comfortable. This one I would say is my slightly more preferred one now, although I've had the original one for much longer. I'm fine with either, but I like this one just because it is a smidge lighter, and anything that's lighter gives it an advantage in my mind. So there's that. It's adjustable. Then I stole this from my daughter for just this video. I actually got this for her from Organize My Bag, and then I gave it to her, or she took it from me, I can't remember, and she puts it on her little pink bag that she has. But you can also, you know, play around and decorate or accessorize. That's the thing. Because it has these little hooks or loops or what have you, it is so easy to give the pochette accessoire like a different look and a different vibe by adding little cute pom-poms and charms. So there's that. And again, this is my daughter's, but I just want to show you, it just adds such a fun pop. And then, like I said, I have so many goodies. This also I got from Organize My Bag. It is it's a leather, it's like perfectly matches. It's a leather crossbody strap that's adjustable, and a lot of you have asked me about this, and I think you went ahead and bought it. Also comes in different widths if you like it to be thicker. I have a couple actually, but this is really comfortable. So it gives this a different look. Look how, so this is still pristine because I got the bag first, and then like months later I got this one. And also like I have worn this in the rain and in the snow, and it's like patinaed really fast. Anyway. Okay, then I've got this fun chunky thing here. This, oh gosh, also from Dress Up Your Purse. None of this is sponsored. I'm just sharing with you some fun ways to easily dress up this pochette accessoire. You could see why I've never considered selling or letting go of this, because why? Why would I? It's such a great, easy bag that's so versatile. So where's the opening here? So this is quite chunky and heavy, but if you're going for this look, it kind of gives me that Bottega Veneta look, the recent looks that they came out with. It's so fun. It's long enough to be worn on the shoulder. This is not an everyday look or an everyday bag like this with this chain, because it's heavier. But if you're going out and you want to have a more edgy kind of fresh look to your pochette, this is so fun. So fun. Okay, I've got a few more I want to show you. And again, that's not even all of it. I have so many. Like, I'm almost embarrassed to show you all the little accessories that I have. But I mentioned in one of my recent videos that sometimes having accessories like this actually, in a weird way, kind of saves you from spending more or shopping for larger items, because you can create 5, 6, 7 different looks with one existing bag in your collection versus being tempted to buy a whole new item, a whole new bag that gives you that vibe. Like, if you can get all the different looks in one, you do technically save money. These things are much more affordable than a brand new bag. So this one is from another company called Next Fashion. I did do a whole video on Next Fashion, lovely Canadian-based business, and I wanted to have something, in particular for my Canadian audience, because I know that sometimes ordering from the States, it can be a little bit costly with customs and duties and the conversion and all of that. But look at this, so pretty. This is called the Curb Wristlet, and I love this. It's so comfortable, it's so smooth and shiny, and yeah, it gives it a different look. So you can use this as a wristlet, really easy kind of grab and go. So there's that. There's also this. I think this one was from Dress Up Your Purse, another wristlet, but leather version, right? So if you want it to be more casual. And then this one, I wear this a lot. This one is the Rollo, and I think that the Rollo links are available in all of the companies that I just mentioned. Dress Up Your Purse, Next Fashion, and Organize My Bag. I have promo codes for all of them. So if you decide to shop, depending on which one's most convenient for you or which one has the available like sometimes a lot of these items are so popular, so they're out of stock. So whoever has the available inventory and can ship to you, depending on where you're based, check out all three and compare, and feel free to use my promo codes because then you get to save some money too. So yeah, this one here I really like. I wear this crossbody, but I've shown this before on my earlier video where I showed the different ways to wear this. There is a way. I started playing around with this a while ago, and many of you saw some photos and was like, wait, how did you do that? And what chain is that? You can get any one of these little dainty chains, and you can actually, I'm being really messy at the moment, but hopefully you get the point. You can actually loop it through twice or even 3 times. And I like to do this triple look. I feel like it gives it a little bit of a fancier look than the casual pochette that it is. And you've got the triple. So it's got to be one of these thinner, kind of more delicate ones because it has to fit through. It has to kind of loop out a couple times. And then you could even have it dangling like that. And obviously it'll look better when it's filled up with stuff. Right now it's quite flat and smushy. But yeah, I know a lot of you have commented about this one. So that's why, in a nutshell, not really in a nutshell, I feel like I've really gone just gaga all over again for this piece. That's why the Pochette Accessoire is one bag in my collection that I have never considered letting go of. All of my other bags I love dearly and I'm enjoying them, but from time to time I go, and I have those, moments. But this one, never, and I don't think I will. I think I'm just going to hang on to it, especially with the price increases. By the time I pass this to my daughter, it's probably going to be well over $1,000 for sure because it's already inching. And it's really well made, and there isn't any glazing or anything like that, so I don't think it's going to crack or wear down. I think it'll be fine. Oh, I also wanted to show you a couple of other options. So this is my Pochette Matisse, right? And sometimes when I want the full-on monogram on monogram look, I would use this as well. So that gives it another look, kind of like a, I don't know, it's a very uniform look. And then my Hermes Mini Eveline, I didn't have this out just to tease you guys. I wanted to show you. So this really comfortable cotton or fabric strap can also kind of matches nicely with the little flowers, right? Almost like perfectly. So this can also, it's not adjustable, but it fits my frame. I'm about a little shy of 5 feet 6 inches tall, and I wear it crossbody. So this can also go on. The gold color is a little bit different, but it's not really noticeable. No one's going to stare at your bag and be like, hey, your gold hardware is a little bit different. It's a shade off. But if this is really comfortable and you have this, you can always mix and match as well. So just want to show you that. But yeah, that's it in a nutshell. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you, Tabby, for tagging me. I'm going to actually tag a few other lovely YouTubers down below in my description box. And I tag all of you. I would love to know from your handbag collections at home, what is the one bag you've never, ever, ever considered letting go? Please comment down below. I'd love to know. Thanks so much. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.